Good morning, welcome to Southern CrossGO. Now today we're going to head up to a place that's called the Sidewalk Mall or the Sidewalk Jimbaran and check it out. Now it's a mall, but it's more like a massive food mall. It's mainly all food in there with a supermarket. Let's go check it out. Sidewalk Jimbaran. Alright. Taco kitchen. Oh, taco. I haven't had a taco for a long time. Alright, so it looks like this is straight into off-street level here. I suppose if you had a car you could park at the front. Straight into the food court area. What have we got here? Dangy cookies. Cinnamon rolls. A box of 4 cinnamon rolls, 140,000. Yeah, they're not cheap. They look good, mate. Look at that. Oh yes. The tacos. Taco. No, I haven't had a taco for ages. They've got burritos. 120,000. Wow, a bit pricey. $12 for a burrito. They want to be good. So this is the actual supermarket. Have a quick look. Alright, so they've got a little food court in here as well, and bakery. Now this is the big main supermarket in here. Wow, it's really big, eh? Oh, check this out. Look at this. This is a fresh pasta shop. Look at this. You can buy all different types of fresh pasta. And they've got lasagnas and stuff. Look at that. Look at them lasagnas. Look bloody good, don't they? 300,000 per kilo. $30 a kilo. Anyway, it's all fresh made pasta. Look at that. Beautiful. Crumble custard pudding. Looks like a lasagna. It's a lasagna, don't know. Oh, they'd be that. Potato. Oh, it's a potato bake. Yum, eh? It is. Chicken negresco. Oh, looks very good. Big cheese section. Wow, they just got cheese from every part of the world here. Look at this. Wow, it just keeps going. Now, cheese is expensive in Indonesia because it's imported, you know. Fresh olives. And they've got a fish section. Check this out. Prawn. A lot of big tiger prawns. They're bloody huge too. Hey bro, how are you, Pug? Puggy. Pastrami's. This is the deli meat section. Wow, this is a good supermarket. Check this out. All the different salamis, hams. Wow, they've just got everything. This is one of the best selection delis I've seen for a long time. All the sausages, smoked sausages, beef, and the meat keeps going. Whole marinated chickens. Wow, look at this. This is a chicken section. How unreal is this place? So the whole thing is known as the gourmet market. I've never been in here and it's really good, eh? So alcohol, you've got every type of beer you can think of. The wine selection is massive. And all sorts of spirits, wines. Wow, it's a big wine selection. You've got everything, a lot of spirits too. Ooh, a little bottle mini bottle of Bacardi would be alright. Every type of wine you can think of. Got mini Bacardis. I might grab one of them on the way out, I think. I won't tell Yuli, but I'll grab one on the way out. I don't want to carry it around. Alright, so there's all different sizes. There's a little mid-sized bottle. Alright, so there's actually a bar in the supermarket. There is too. So you can buy beer on tap. And I think I've seen some advertisement, leave your husband here while you do your shopping. So it's a coffee shop and a bar in the middle of the supermarket. How unreal is that? That's the go for drinkers anyway. See what the price of butter is here. Butter's not cheap in Indonesia. There's a good selection of it. 65,000, that's cheap. Unsalted. It's pretty cheap, 65. Anchor butter, 97. It's about $9 a 200 gram block. Butter's really expensive in Indonesia because it's imported. Good veggie selection in here. Nice. What did you get? Lychee. Oh, lychees. For 140,000 now, about $13 for a kilo of peeled king prawns. That's a pretty good price, really. Wow, what a great little supermarket this is.
It
There's a little restaurant out on the front. And there's another level. We might skip up to the other level. The rest of it's just a typical supermarket, you know. Straight off the supermarket, there's another little food court sort of thing where you sit outside. How nice is this? There's a coffee shop, Istanbul corner, shawarmas, and probably Turkish food or whatever, and the Asian kitchen. So there's a few little separate warungs in here too. How nice is it? It really is nice. What a top little spot. So yeah, I noticed there's a fair few expats and that all Westerners walking around in here, so I suppose they come here to get their shopping and yeah, they're staying at Ullawatu or living at Ullawatu and that, yeah. So, yeah. And I like the way they've incorporated all the little food cafes and that right in with the supermarket, which is really good. There's more meats here, sausages. What's this? Dry aged beef. Hello. Wow, look at these steaks. 700,000, like $70 for a steak. Dry aged. All right. Aussie beef, Japanese beef. Yeah, they've got it all. How good is this? What are these? Beef empanada. Looks like a big pasty. Wow, I wonder what they're like. You got a beef Wellington. Looks all right too. So it looks like you can come and just get like a baked dinner. Like, yeah, very good. All right, so they just told us that this supermarket is part of the Pepito group, popular Pepito supermarkets. All right. Well, I think it's a lot better than Pepito. Very nice. Playworks, all right, all different stuff up here. All right. So it looks like this might be like another type of food courts in here. Oh, it is too. More food. Wow, this is a really, really amazing little complex, you know. Now apparently that supermarket downstairs is part of the Pepito group, like I said before. Got some souvenirs and stuff. Yuli's checking the price to see she sells all this sort of stuff and cheap. Right, so these sarongs are that 155,000. Yuli sells them for 50,000. So triple the price. All right, so what have we got in here? Wanaku. Little jewellery, another little cafe by the look of it. Sushi tea, and the sushi tea's like a sushi train type thing. Must be Chinese, Wanaku. How are you? Good. So what do you got going on here? Coffee shop?
Yeah, we have a matcha coffee.
Oh, matcha, eh?
Yeah.
All right. And beer?
Yeah, we have a beer, matcha beer.
So actually Japanese beer, yeah?
Japanese beer.
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Yep. And this is sushi tea, which is, yes, it looks like it's got the train there, but it's not going yet. Probably doesn't start till the afternoon or dinner time and that. But there's, yeah, sushi tea. There was a big sushi tea on Sunset Road, but it changed to something else, the name. But it's the same group, just different name. You've got strawberry coffee. What's this? Oh, blueberry mango.
Yeah, it's for flavoring.
Oh, you put flavour with it?
No, it's like a flavor, like a flavor for coffee.
Yeah, you get the smell. Yeah.
It's from the Aceh.
Oh, from Aceh.
Yes,
This is North Sumatran coffee?
Yes, Sumatra coffee.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Because we
Love the smell of brewing coffee, yeah?
Here from the Bali and Flores is the house blend.
All right.
It's Robusta and Arabica, it's 50-50.
All right. So this is Flores and Bali coffee, yeah?
And the last one we have a Colombia banana. This is like a banana flavor and it's chocolate.
Oh, this is Colombian beans.
Sorry?
Colombia beans. Yeah? All right.
Yeah, it's so strong.
Well, I think I like this one, the best one. You got matchas there. No. I just talking to him. You just showed me the different types of specialty coffees, yeah. Yeah, so Indonesia supplies a lot of coffee around the world, actually. Right, and there's a cinema. Oh, they're just starting to open now, yeah. There's a cinema upstairs as well. So, yeah, it must be 3 stories, yeah. Anyway, might head back down and get something to eat, a bit of a snack. And then off this side, there's a Japanese barbecue. which we just had at Shuka Grill the other day for Yuli's birthday. Oh, there's a big arcade mall here. So I suppose they're just souvenir shops and what's this? Oh, it's like a Pamper Me. It's a little kiddies play area or something. Pamper Me, or maybe they're selling kiddie stuff. And they've got all the games. This is like the Japanese games. Yeah, they are too. In Japan, they're all like this everywhere. In the streets, they're everywhere. The claw machines. Okay, and that's about it. A couple more little. They actually sell telephones and that up here too. With a telephone. Samsung shop. All right. Wow, I've got some really old photos here, like they've been colourised, they're that old. Old Bali photos. Wow, that's probably tan a lot before it was built up properly. Huh. Some really old photos here. How amazing is that? Alright, so they've even sold some drones here. You've got the Mini 5 Pro and they've got the little Nano, yeah, the Nano Flip. Mini Pro 5, wow, drones. Sell everything in the shop, phones and drones, watches, Galaxy watches. So the iPhone 17 Pro Max 26, say 27 million, probably about 2.5 grand. Wow, not cheap are they for a telephone? I'll stick with me $300 Samsungs. Alright, oh, this is pizza, Doughboy's Pizza, looks pretty popular. And what else have we got in here? Japanese food, probably. Yep. What's over here? Boost drinks, Dairy Queen, ice cream, Tampa coffee. Oh, and then it's just straight outside. All right. I got JK Donuts. So this place is just a food paradise in this little complex. Yeah, there's food everywhere. Yeah, so it's a nice little area out here. There's not much open at the moment, donuts and things. More like rice bowls, stuff. Alright. Shawarmas, which we had yesterday. So anyway, I'm just going to hang out here and wait for Yuli. She's getting a coffee. It's a nice area. Good area to hang out. Alright, so Yuli snuck into Jayco. Jayco's like donuts and coffee. Smells good in here. Hello. Oh, it smells really good. Fresh cakes. What are you getting? You getting all that?
Yes.
Wow, look at it all. And more in there. Alright, so this end is Mako and this is Jayco. So they're the same company or whatever. Yeah, out here. Alright, well I really like it actually. I don't like malls, and this is more like food courts and just with a big supermarket and a few other little shops. So it's not really like a mall. And yeah, it's pretty good. Very good. Very busy with tourists and that here, Westerners. So yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, find the bike and out of here. Okay, well if you like that video, this sort of thing, doing malls, shopping centres, things like that, leave it in the comments. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you then.